Etsy Trends Fall 2025. How to sell your goods all year round as a teacher gives any new items. Let's consider Etsy keyword tips together. Our plan, article, keywords, what to do in the listing. Hi guys, with you Svitlana Prokhorivska, Etsy shop YouTube channel How to Sell Crafts. Etsy add important article. In this article, Etsy keyword tips. Keywords are welcome back to school, teacher gifts under 20, personalist teacher gifts, teacher appreciation gifts, end of year teacher gifts, Christmas gifts for teachers. What we need to do? We need to add Etsy listings on any item direction. For example, one listing, one keyword. If you want to do welcome back to school, you will write name of your item plus this keyword in title, description, search and text. Our example listing. You add your product name plus teacher gifts under 20. But on Etsy, dollar we can't use. Delete this. It will be okay like this. You will write your product name on the first place, on the second place, teacher gifts under 20, or any of these keywords. After that, you need to go to Etsy description, and on first place you add your product name and much more about your product name, and sentences number 2, teacher gifts under 20, and much more why your item is so much suitable, is so much good, like teacher gifts under 20, and describe in this part. After that, add all text to this Etsy description. And how about search and text? In search and text, you will add on your first place your product name, second place teacher gifts under 20, or it's not good, it's not 20 characters, teacher gifts under 20, teacher gifts 20, gifts under 20, try different direction, choose that you need, and on the first place must be name of your product. It's so much important, guys. And after that, you could add important direction, and in this search and text, you add next about your product and about direction teacher gifts under 20. Guys, if you have any questions about this, write me under this video. Guys, if you need help on Etsy, download my ebooks 95 mistakes on Etsy, help make you fast audit of your Etsy shop, and Etsy SEO for beginners, help promote your Etsy shop on Etsy without paid ads. If you have any questions about Etsy, Pinterest, write under this video. I will help you. With you Svitlana Prokhorivska, Etsy shop YouTube channel How to Sell Crafts. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Subscribe.